pleasure, Mr. Odachi, for you to be with us here at BlockShow Asia in Singapore. And for those who don't know, this is the former Vice Minister of the Japan Ministry of Finance. Once again, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, we are welcome.
What do you think about the adoption of blockchain technology in Japan?
Yeah, actually, we see the bright future in Japan, especially this week. Prime Minister Mr. Abe stated that he supports the blockchain technology in Japan.
Wow.
I would like to tell you exactly, okay?
Yes.
I believe in the possibility of a much wider utilization of blockchain technology, not only in the financial field. I believe it will lead to improve productivity of companies and will enable them to provide much convenient and secure services. This is what he mentioned in the diet.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Well, I know the community in Japan right now is on their feet. They have to be on their feet right now.
Yeah.
So we know what the future should look like after such an amazing statement. What are the key growth factors and threats for blockchain in Japan?
Okay. Actually, there is a law called the Payment Services Act.
Okay.
It's set in 2017. Because of this new law, we recognize cryptocurrency is very useful technology for fintech and other services. But the problem is because of so many, hacking to
fraud,
currency, cryptocurrency exchange. Now the financial service agencies regulates this industry very much. So I think this is too much regulation.
Okay, regulation just a little.
Should be.
Well, maybe with now maybe it will die down a little bit since they want such a widespread adoption.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So it is said Japan will become the new heart of Bitcoin and blockchain. Do you agree?
Of course, I totally agree with this. Yes. But the point is now many fintech and blockchain related companies are scattered. We don't have big consortium about cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. So we have to organize these industries like other countries.
Right.
Also, we need many foreign companies to join in this industry in Japan.
That's what we need, a consortium from a lot of these titans that we've seen at BlockShow and interviewed on Cointelegraph to put a consortium together for the markets that are really trying to penetrate. Maybe we can work on something like that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.